Hello everyone, welcome to Competitive Square Online Classes Barampur. In this video, I'll do the current affairs of 14 July. As usual, before going to start, we will discuss first of all MCQ question, then today's most important news, then one more state. Let's start the MCQ. Which state has organized India's first e-Lok Adalat? Which state has organized India's first e-Lok Adalat? E-Lok Adalat. Electronic Lok Adalat started by, yes, which state? That is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur, and Bhupesh Baghel is the CM. Bhupesh Baghel is the CM, and Anusuya Uike is the governor. Total district is 28. Last district was Gorela, Pandera, Marwai. Gorela, Pandera, Marwai. This is the last district of Chhattisgarh. Total district 28. Lok Sabha seat is 11. Rajya Sabha seat is 5. 28, 11, 5. Gorela, Pandera, Marwai is the last district of Chhattisgarh. Clear? Recently, Chhattisgarh government started a scheme, that is Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyaya Yojana. Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyaya Yojana. Similarly, Godhan Nyaya Yojana, and one more application, that is C Ghat application, and Raksha Sarva application. Also started Kabacha application, and one more scheme, that is Spandana scheme. One more scheme, that is Rozgar Sanghi, and Ajit Jogi, who was the first Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, passed away recently. Ajit Jogi, who was the first Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, passed away recently. Clear? Again I will repeat. Which state has organized first e-Lok Adalat? That is Chhattisgarh, capital is Raipur. Bhupesh Baghel is the CM, Anusuya Uike is the governor. Total district 28. Last district was Gorela, Pandera, Marwai. Lok Sabha 11. Rajya Sabha seat is 5. Ajit Jogi, who was the first Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, he passed away recently. Chhattisgarh recently launched Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyaya Yojana, Godhan Nyaya Yojana, C Ghat application, Raksha Sarva application, Kabacha application, and recently launched Spandana scheme and Rozgar Sanghi scheme. Clear? Spandana scheme and Rozgar Sanghi scheme. Remember one more question, that is Chhattisgarh government recently started Rozgar Sanghi scheme. Rozgar Sanghi scheme. Clear? Next question. Jharkhand government has signed a MOU with which bank to offer digital payment solution to traffic violators? Jharkhand government has signed a MOU. MOU means Memorandum of Understanding with which bank to offer digital payment solution to traffic violators who violating the traffic rules. The penalty was given. Which state government has signed an MOU with? Jharkhand government has signed an MOU with which bank? That bank is HDFC Bank, Housing Development Financial Corporation. HDFC, established on 1994. Headquarter is at Mumbai. Aditya Puri is the MD. And we understand your world. We understand your world is the tagline. We understand your world is the tagline. Which state government has signed a MOU with HDFC? That is Jharkhand. Capital is Ranchi. Capital is Ranchi. CM Hemant Soren. Hemant Soren is the present CM of Jharkhand and governor was Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu is the present governor of Jharkhand and total district 24, Lok Sabha seat is at 14, Rajya Sabha seat 16. Recently started Birsa Harit Gram Yojana. Birsa Harit Gram Yojana. Harit Gram Yojana. Second one is Nilambar Pitambar. Nilambar Pitambar Jal Samriddhi Yojana. Jal Samriddhi Yojana and Potoho Khelo Yojana. Potoho Khelo Yojana. These are the scheme of Jharkhand. Lok Sabha seat is 14. Rajya Sabha seat is 6. Rajya Sabha seat is 6. Total district 24. 14, 6. Ranchi is the capital. Chief Minister Hemant Soren. Draupadi Murmu is the governor. Jharkhand government has signed a MOU with HDFC Bank. HDFC Housing Development Financial Corporation, established at 1994. Headquarters is at Mumbai. Aditya Puri is the MD. We understand your world is the tagline. Recently started two campaign. HDFC Bank recently started two campaign. One is Summer Treat campaign. Summer Treats campaign. Summer Treats campaign. And another one is Safety Grid campaign. Safety Grid campaign. Recently started one song that is हम हार नहीं मानेंगे. हम हार नहीं मानेंगे. He acquired 6.43% stake to Jio. 6.43% stake from Jio. 6.43% stake from Jio. Clear? 6.43% stake from Jio and also started one application that is E-Kisan Dhan application. E-Kisan Dhan application started by Chhattisgarh government. Clear? E-Kisan Dhan application. Summer Street campaign, Safety Grid campaign, हम हार नहीं मानेंगे. One song 6.43% stake from Jio. He acquired 6.43% stake from Jio. HDFC Bank established at 1994. Headquarters is at Mumbai. Which state has become the first nation to complete clinical trials of COVID-19 vaccine on humans? Which nation has first nation to complete clinical trial? That is Russia. That is Russia. Capital is Moscow. Capital Moscow. Currency ruble. Very important. What is the currency of Russia? That is ruble. President Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. Who is the prime minister? Mikhail Mishustin. Mikhail Mishustin is the prime minister of Russia and parliament name is Duma. Again I will repeat. Russia is the first nation to complete clinical trials of COVID-19 vaccine on humans. Russia has become the first nation to complete clinical trials of COVID-19 vaccine on humans. Russia capital is Moscow, currency ruble, and parliament name is Duma. President Vladimir Putin, prime minister Mikhail Mishustin. Who has become the new prime minister of Singapore? That is Lee Hsien Loong. Lee Hsien Loong becomes re-elected again. The prime minister of Singapore. Clear? Lee Kuan Yew is he was the first PM of Singapore. He was the first prime minister of Singapore. Clear? He was the first prime minister of Singapore. Singapore capital is Singapore city and currency dollar. Which company has won the prestigious CII ITC Sustainability Award 2019? Which company? That is NTPC. Company name is NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. NTPC. Chairman is Gurdeep Singh. The award name is CII ITC Sustainability Award. CII means Confederation of Indian Industry. President, Confederation of Indian Industry. President Uday Kotak. Uday Kotak was the founder of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Clear? Uday Kotak is the president of CII. This CII gives this award, CII ITC Sustainability Award 2019 for excellent business. This award goes to NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. Chairman is Gurdeep Singh. Who is the present chairman of BHEL? Nalin Singhal. Who is the present chairman of BHEL? Nalin Singhal. Who is the present chairman of Gas Authority India Limited? Manoj Jain. Manoj Jain. Indian Oil Corporation Limited, very important, recently changed. Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Srikant Mahadev Vaidya. Srikant Mahadev Vaidya is the present chairman of IOCL. Very important question. Who is the present chairman of IOCL? Srikant Mahadev Vaidya. Jack Charlton, who passed away recently, he was related to which sports? Jack Charlton, who passed away recently, he was the former football player of England. He was the former football player of England. Recently, Commonwealth Game 2022 will be held at Birmingham, UK. 2022 Commonwealth Game Birmingham will be held at Birmingham, UK. Remember, Commonwealth nation gives one award, that is the Short Story Award. Commonwealth Short Story Award. Commonwealth Short Story Award. Short Story Award. That award received by Kritika Pandey. Kritika Pandey. Clear? Next, name the country which will host the Asia Cup 2020 tournament in year 2021. Asia Cup 2020 tournament in year 2021 means 1 year extended. That is postponed. Clear? Asia Cup 2020 tournament in year 2021. Which country will host? That country is Sri Lanka. Asia Cup related to cricket. Asia Cup related to cricket. The Asia Cup cricket will be held at Sri Lanka in 2021. There is two capitals. One is Colombo and another one is Jayawardena Purakota. And one is Colombo. Clear? Colombo, Jayawardena Purakota. Who is the president of Sri Lanka? And who is the prime minister? President, prime minister. President is who? Who is the present president of Sri Lanka? Gotabaya Rajapaksa. And Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa. President Gotabaya Rajapaksa. Gotabaya Rajapaksa is the present president of Sri Lanka, and Mahinda Rajapaksa is the present prime minister of Sri Lanka. Clear? And also one point, remember, Isala Virakun was the head of SAARC. He belongs from Sri Lanka. He is from Sri Lanka. Isala Virakun, he is from Sri Lanka, was the head of SAARC. Isala Virakun, he is from Sri Lanka. He is the head of SAARC. Clear? Name the person who was won the Styrian Grand Prix 2020 at the Red Bull Ring in Spielberg, Austria. That is Styrian Grand Prix held at Austria. Who won this award? Who won this tournament? The tournament won by Lewis Hamilton. He is from UK. Remember, Austria Grand Prix won by Valtteri Bottas. Austria Grand Prix won by Valtteri Bottas, but Styrian Grand Prix won by Lewis Hamilton. Valtteri Bottas from Finland. Finland capital Helsinki. Here, Finland capital Helsinki. Lewis Hamilton from UK. Clear? Next. In 2019, India became the largest source of FDI in the UK. In 2019, India became the dash largest sources of day in UK. In UK, India became the dash largest source of foreign direct investment. That is the second largest source of foreign direct investment in UK. Who is the first? First country is USA. First country is USA. In UK, India became the second largest source of foreign direct investment. In UK, USA becomes the first largest sources of foreign direct investment. In India, Singapore. In India, Singapore is the largest source of foreign direct investment. Singapore is the first, means largest source of foreign direct investment. Clear? After the order of President, Hagia Sophia Museum, located at Istanbul, will be converted into mosque. Converted into mosque. Hagia Sophia is in where? Hagia Sophia Museum will be converted into mosque after the order of his president. Hagia Sophia is in, that is Turkey. Capital is Ankara. Currency lira. Who is the president? President is Recep Tayyip Erdogan. Recep Tayyip Erdogan is the present president of Turkey. Recep Tayyip Erdogan is the present president of Turkey. Capital is Ankara. Currency is lira. He ordered the Hagia Sophia Museum will be converted into a mosque. Clear? Hagia Sophia Museum is at Istanbul. Now start the best news of the day. Madhya Pradesh government has launched Roko Toko, that is one campaign. Roko Toko campaign for those who do not wear mask. Those who do not wearing mask, they gives mask at rupees 20. That campaign named as Roko Toko campaign. Clear? That campaign is Roko Toko campaign. How the question will come? Roko Toko campaign launched by which state? That is Madhya Pradesh. Capital is Bhopal. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Governor Lalaji Tandon. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor Lalaji Tandon. Clear? Lalaji Tandon. Lok Sabha seat 29, Rajya Sabha seat is 11. Clear? Recently, many more schemes. First one, Jeevan Shakti. Jeevan Shakti launched by Madhya Pradesh. Jeevan Amrut launched by Madhya Pradesh. Kill Corona campaign launched by Madhya Pradesh. FIR आपके द्वार launched by Madhya Pradesh. Sanjeevani vehicle launched by Madhya Pradesh. इंतजार आपका मध्य प्रदेश for tourist attracting. Next that is संबल योजना मध्य प्रदेश. हमारा घर हमारा विद्यालय, हमारा घर हमारा विद्यालय मध्य प्रदेश. Similarly, चरण पादुका they provide chappal. And one more scheme that is forgotten. That much only. Kill Corona इंतजार आपका. मुख्यमंत्री स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना. मुख्यमंत्री स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना. That scheme. These are the scheme of what? Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh government recently launched Roko Toko. Now Roko Toko. Clear? Roko Toko. जीवन शक्ति, जीवन अमृत, किल कोरोना, FIR आपके द्वार, संजीवनी, इंतजार आपका, संबल योजना, हमारा घर हमारा विद्यालय, चरण पादुका, मुख्यमंत्री स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना, रोको टोको. These are the scheme of Madhya Pradesh. IIT Kanpur has developed an ultraviolet sanitizing product named Sudh to make your rooms COVID free. To sanitizing the room, IIT Kanpur developed a machine. That machine named as Sudh. IIT Kanpur recently one what remember one more question, that is NIRF. According to NIRF, IIT Madras becomes the best institution. IIT Madras becomes the best institution of India. IIT Madras according to NIRF. Clear? Remember one more question. Chest X-ray to detect coronavirus, and Project IJAK. These things launched by IIT Gandhinagar. Stethoscope, advanced stethoscope launched by IIT Bombay. Clear? And remember one more question, that is Mobile Master G launched by IIT Kanpur. NIRF, IIT Madras is the best institution. IIT Kanpur launched Sodh and Mobile Master G. Chest X-ray and Project IJAK launched by IIT Gandhinagar. Stethoscope launched by IIT Bombay. Artificial intelligence powered COVID-19 test kit launched by IIT Hyderabad. Artificial intelligence powered COVID-19 test kit launched by IIT Hyderabad. Clear? Again I will repeat. IIT Kanpur has developed ultraviolet sanitizing product named as Sodh to make room COVID free. That is Sodh by IIT. This device IIT Kanpur. Mobile Master G IIT Kanpur. Best institution IIT Madras. Chest X-ray Project IJAK IIT Gandhinagar. Stethoscope IIT Bombay. Artificial intelligence powered COVID-19 test kit IIT Hyderabad. Dr. Bindu P. Nair appointed as India's next ambassador to Turkmenistan. What is the capital? Turkmenistan capital is Ashgabat. Currency Manath. Again I will repeat. Next ambassador of India to Turkmenistan, that is Bindu P. Nair is the next ambassador to Turkmenistan. Ashgabat Manath. Who is the India's ambassador to China? Bikram Misri. Who is the India's ambassador to Nepal? Binoy Mohan Quatra. Very important. Binoy Mohan Quatra is the India's ambassador to Nepal. Bikram Misri, India's ambassador to China. ISRO chief Dr. K. Sivan has been named as the recipient of Von Karman Award of the International Academy of Astronauts, and will be conferred with the award 2021 in Paris. Why in Paris? Because International Academy of Astronauts headquarters is at Paris. Head office is at Paris. So this award will be awarded by K. Sivan in the year of 2021 at Paris. Clear? At Paris. ISRO. How the question will come? Who is the recipient of Bhandar Karman Award 2021 in Paris? That is K. Sivan. Who is he? He is the present chairman of ISRO. ISRO formation year is 1969 August 15. Headquarters is at Bengaluru. Von Karman is a person. Who is he? Von Karman was the first president of International Academy of Astronauts. Clear? Von Karman was the first president of International Academy of Astronauts. So ISRO chief K. Sivan received this award. Clear? Next. The book titled A Song of India, authored by Ruskin Bond, to be released on July 20, 2020. Again one I will repeat. A Song of India, authored by who? Ruskin Bond. A Song of India, authored by Ruskin Bond. Remember one more, that is Cookies Song, also authored by Ruskin Bond. and the blue umbrella, authored by Ruskin Bond. The wind on haunted hill, the wind on haunted hill, Ruskin Bond. India's most haunted, Ruskin Bond. India's most haunted, that is the Ruskin Bond. These are the book of Ruskin Bond. The Wind on Haunted Hill, India's most haunted, Cookies song, the Blue Umbrella, a song of India, authored by Ruskin Bond. Veteran Gujarat journalist, columnist, writer and political analyst Nagindas Sanghvi passed away recently. Also remember one more, that is Jamiji. Who is Jamiji? That is one Gujarati cartoonist. One cartoonist. He was passed away recently. That name is Abhad bin Hassan Jami, popularly known as Jamiji. Abhad bin Hassan Jami. He is the cartoonist of Gujarat. He was the cartoonist of Gujarat. He passed away recently. Abhad bin Hasmi Jami. He was the cartoonist of Gujarat. He passed away recently. Next. Andrzej Duda has been re-elected as the Poland president. Andrzej Duda re-elected. Before Andrzej Duda was the president. Again he was re-elected. He has re-elected. Who is the present president of Poland? That is Andrzej Duda. Clear? Andrzej Duda re-elected as the Poland's president. Poland capital Warsaw. Warsaw. Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced an investment of 75,000 crore in India over the next 5 to 7 years through Google for India Digitalization Fund. In Google for Digitalization India Fund, in next 5 to 7 years, Sundar Pichai announced the company invest 75,000 crore in India. The company invest 75,000 crore in India. Again I will repeat. Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced 75,000 crore in India. Invest 75,000 crore in India in next 5 to 7 years through Google Digitalization Fund in India. Clear? Next. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari will lay a foundation stone for the highway project of 2,000 crore rupees in Haryana. In which state? That is Haryana. Nitin Gadkari, constituency Nagpur. He is also Minister of MSME, Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises. Clear? Union Minister and foundation stone for highway projects of 2,000 crore rupees in Haryana. Which state? That is Haryana. Qualcomm Venture will invest 730 crore in Jio platforms for a 0.15 stake. Qualcomm Venture acquired how much stake from Jio? That is 0.15% stake from Jio. Remember one more question. HDFC Bank acquired 6.43% stake from Jio. Facebook acquired 9.99% from stake from Jio. And Qualcomm Venture acquired 0.15% stake from Jio. Clear? HDFC 6.43, Facebook 9.99, Qualcomm Venture 0.15% stake from Jio. Now start state. Tamil Nadu established on 26 January 1950. Total district 30, Lok Sabha seat is 39, Rajya Sabha 80. E.K. Palaniswamy, Idapadi K. Palaniswamy is the Chief Minister. Governor is Banwarlal Purohit. That High Court called as Madras High Court. But Circuit House is located in Chennai. Chief Justice Amreshwar Pratap Sai is the present Chief Justice of Madras High Court. The border state is Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Border state Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. One more UT, that is Puducherry. Clear? Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. Here is the Tamil Nadu. Remember that is UT is Puducherry. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala. These are the border state. Madras High Court, Chief Justice is Amreshwar Pratap Sai. Total Lok Sabha seat very important 39. Rajya Sabha 18. E.K. Palaniswamy is the Chief Minister. Banwarlal Purohit is the Governor. Mukurthi National Park, Guindi National Park, Mudumalai National Park, Indira Gandhi National Park, Gulf of Mannar National Park. These are the very important national park. Mukurthi, Guindi, Mudumalai, Malai means Tamil Nadu, Mudumalai, Mukurthi, Guind, Mudumalai, Indira Gandhi, Gulf of Mannar. Mukurthi, Guindi, Mudumalai, Indira Gandhi, Gulf of Mannar. Mukurthi, Guindi, Mudumalai, Indira Gandhi, Gulf of Mannar. These are the national parks. Indira Gandhi also wildlife sanctuary. Here is the Indira Gandhi is a wildlife sanctuary. Indira Gandhi wildlife sanctuary. Indira Gandhi national park. Kodaikanal wildlife sanctuary. Bhalanadu wildlife sanctuary very important. Bhalanadu wildlife sanctuary. Megamalai wildlife sanctuary. Kanyakumari wildlife sanctuary. Kodaikanal, Indira Gandhi, Bhalanadu, Megamalai, Kanyakumari. Kodaikanal, Indira Gandhi, Bhalanadu, Megamalai, Kanyakumari. These are the wildlife sanctuary of Tamil Nadu. Clear? This was the video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Competitive Square. Thank you.